Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming your Samsung model and the OS version so the right plugin installs. Once done, enable any required permissions, developer options, or USB debugging only if the plugin explicitly needs it. Next, download the official plugin package or get it from Galaxy Store. Make sure file size matches and the signature looks legitimate. Doing these steps now prevents compatibility failures later, and it keeps your device secure while you move into the actual installation and activation steps. You install the plugin using Galaxy Store if available, or sideload a verified APK when necessary. Accept on-screen prompts carefully since some permissions are essential. Then grant only the permissions required: storage, overlay, controller access, so the plugin can interact with games. Once installed, open the plugin's config and link it to the target game, adjust performance options, input mappings, and save a profile. This structured setup ensures the plugin controls the right processes and delivers the performance improvements you expect. You finish by launching the game with the plugin enabled and performing a quick feature test. Check overlays, controller bindings, and any performance boosts. If you encounter crashes or missing features, clear the plugin cache and restart the device. If issues persist, reinstall the plugin from a verified source. Make sure to verify app permissions and disable aggressive power or battery saver modes, because those often block background services. Finally, keep a backup profile so you can restore working settings quickly if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.